Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for quick and easy lunch ideas, give this simple yet tasty stir-fried chicken a try. All the ingredients are listed in the description, so be sure to check that out as we'll get right into it. I start by prepping the ingredients and cutting the chicken into strips beforehand. I season the chicken with salt and black pepper. Then I add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. I heat some olive oil and cook the chicken until it is slightly browned. At this point, I remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pan, I add onions and saute them for 2 minutes, adding more oil as needed. Then I add the tomatoes. I add ginger paste and capsicums. I'm using half a green capsicum and half a red one. At this point, I add the spices and seasoning. Please find all the quantities used in the description box. If you're cooking this for young children, feel free to skip the cayenne pepper. I stir to combine and add a little water as needed. I now add crushed garlic and tomato paste, stir to combine and add the chicken back into the pan. If the stir fry is too dry, add a little water, adjust salt if needed and mix to combine. Once everything comes together, I let this simmer on low for 5 minutes. The kitchen smells amazing at this point. Our stir-fried chicken is now ready. To get this consistency, don't skip the cornstarch added to the chicken at the start. We served this with rice and it was delicious. However, feel free to eat it by itself or paired with your staple of choice. For easy recipes, tap the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you never miss any of my new recipe uploads. If you love this video, please give it a like, comment and share. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it, and if you do, share your thoughts in the comments section. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.